For as long as we've looked up at the stars, one question has echoed across time. Are we truly alone in the universe? Or could there be intelligent life beyond Earth? Given what we know, the possibility that life exists elsewhere is not only reasonable, it's statistically likely. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. In the Milky Way alone, there are billions of planets, and some of them may closely resemble Earth. NASA has identified many exoplanets with Earth-like characteristics, the kinds of conditions that could support life. In 2015, scientists discovered Kepler 452b, the first known planet located in the habitable zone of its star. Its orbit, temperature, and rocky surface are remarkably similar to Earth's, and there's even speculation it might contain water, or perhaps signs of primitive life. But Kepler 452b isn't the only promising world out there. In fact, what if there are dozens or even hundreds of Earth-like planets waiting to be discovered? Astronomers have already identified multiple candidates. In 2017, a major breakthrough came with the discovery of a planetary system known as TRAPPIST-1, which contains 7 rocky planets, all orbiting a small, cool star, and several of them lie within its habitable zone. But what exactly makes a planet habitable? At the most basic level, life as we know it needs liquid water and elements like carbon and nitrogen, which form the building blocks of biological molecules. It also requires a stable energy source, typically provided by a nearby star. On Earth, whether it's a single-celled microbe or a massive blue whale, all life is built from these same raw ingredients. So it makes sense that scientists focus on planets with similar environments, because the conditions that allowed life to emerge here might do so elsewhere too. So, have we actually found alien life yet? The answer for now is no. Not definitively, but that doesn't mean it's not out there. The real challenge isn't the lack of life, it's the vastness of space and the limits of our current technology. Even if advanced civilizations exist, they may be thousands or millions of light years away, far beyond our present reach. But humanity hasn't given up. One of the boldest attempts to reach out happened in 1977, when NASA launched the Voyager 1 spacecraft. On board was the Golden Record, a time capsule containing sounds and images from Earth, including greetings in 55 languages, recordings of nature, music, and even a map showing how to find our planet. Voyager 1 is now over 1.6 trillion kilometers from Earth, the farthest any human-made object has ever traveled. And if nothing collides with it, that gold record could drift through space for 1 billion years, waiting for someone or something to find it. What does all this tell us? It tells us that we're still searching, and that the search itself is part of what defines us. With each discovery, each new telescope, each step into the unknown, we move closer to answering that ancient question. Maybe we've never truly been alone. We've just only begun to listen.